Kamala Harris's failures as a district attorney in California are under scrutiny. One America's Richard Pollack explains.
When Kamala Harris won as San Francisco's district attorney, one of her first steps was to end her predecessor's investigation of Catholic priests who allegedly had sexually abused children. In fact, among the top 50 cities in the United States, under Harris's watch, San Francisco became the only major city to have failed to indict a single priest. Investigative reporter Peter Schweizer, author of the new book Profiles in Corruption, outlines Harris's refusal to force any accountability for the priests.
And when she won office, she did something stunning. Number one, during her tenure of 8 years, she never prosecuted a single case of priest sexual abuse, which, to put that in context, if you look at the largest 50 cities in the United States, only one did not prosecute a case, and that was Kamala Harris of San Francisco.
Importantly, when Harris ran for the DA's office, she also received campaign donations from church lawyers. Schweitzer explains his conflict of interest.
Yeah, so Kamala Harris is running for San Francisco district attorney, and one of the places that she receives financial support is from a handful of law firms in San Francisco that really don't have a history of giving much to the district attorney's race. But in this election, they give big money, oftentimes the maximum that can be given, to Kamala Harris's campaign. These are law firms that are either handling sex abuse cases on behalf of the diocese or do other important legal work for the diocese.
Harris received money from church lawyer Joseph Rusinello and his law firm Cooley Godward, where he served as partner. She also accepted funds from the law firm which represented an accused priest, as well as funds from another law firm that handled legal matters for the archdiocese. Harris further received campaign money from Catholic board members of various organizations in the Bay Area, totaling $50,000. Before he lost to Harris, District Attorney Terrence Hallinan was preparing to release hundreds of pages of documents about the scandal that he had received from the church. But Harris put the documents under seal, enraging Catholics who wanted to bring the priests to justice.
But the other thing that she did is those documents, those hundreds of pages that victims groups wanted released, she put them under seal and said these are never going to be released. And the victims groups were outraged, and rightfully so. So it's the classic definition of a cover-up for a crime that I think nobody would defend covering up.
For One America News, this is Richard Pollack from Washington.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.